My feeling on all of this goes back to my faith. It's bound in my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. He is working out his plan and his purposes for his glory throughout all of humanity, and how that plays into our lives is significant and important. And however that plays out, and I am content because I understand that. I understand that he's at work.
I would love to be here. And for whatever reason, the Lord gave me this desire in my heart. And here I am. And I'm not worthy. I'm not deserving. Yet he allowed it to happen. And I just pray that he can be glorified in some fashion through it all.